First and foremost, we wanted to be able to provide actionable information back to you to better and more effectively manage your fleet today. We do this by integrating our technology into software applications that you have already deployed out into your organization. This technology is designed to maximize uptime. Also, this technology is designed to free up time. If we have a better understanding and we can provide better lead time into when these service activities are going to occur on equipment, we can more effectively plan and schedule for these activities. And so what we've done is we've developed different modules or applications. So we have an air filtration module or application, a fuel filtration module or application, hydraulic module or application, and an oil condition module or application. So what we've done is we've developed a real-time dynamic sensor that is able to generate raw sensor data in real time off of your filtration systems, which we can then enrich and analyze and turn into actionable information. We also have our Donaldson Easy Receiver. Now think of this as like a data aggregate device where we can receive up to 12 wireless sensor inputs at any given moment. So as we scale up and as you add additional components or applications, we can leverage this device. Here's our universal transmitter. Now these happen to be mounted just a few feet from where the sensors are located. However, we can mount these anywhere near the sensors as well. Now what these transmitters are designed to do are take these wired liquid sensors that we have and allow them to broadcast a wireless signal locally on the machine, which we can then collect at our Donaldson Easy Receiver. Here you can see our Donaldson Easy Receiver. Now this is the data aggregate device that I had mentioned, where we collect all of the wireless signals from all of the sensors that we have located on this machine. Now this is where we can turn our raw sensor data into actionable information